Hey everyone, I'm back with another tutorial. This time we're talking about the Rose Quartz Natural Nail Overlay Fill. So in the picture that you just saw, I had these nails on for maybe a month. I mean, not one broke. And I needed to get a fill, so here we're getting the fill done. And now she is buffing the nail. And I just want to say shout out to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for following the channel. Okay, awesome. So this nail technician is going to perform this procedure like she would any fill that she would do with poly gel on natural nails. Okay, and this is the product. This is Rose Quartz. If you're not familiar with Rose Quartz, it is a semi-precious stone. It's a natural stone. Some believe in its metaphysical properties, which are unconditional love, forgiveness, your heart chakra, loving yourself, self-love. Yes. What she is going to apply is the Rose Quartz Poly Gel. My Rose Quartz Poly Gel can be found on my website, which is energynails.store. And there is a link in the bio of this page. And this is the poly gel, the Rose Quartz Poly Gel. I have a 15 millimeter sample jar, and I have 2-ounce jars. And they are ready to ship. So now we're gonna watch this beautiful nail technician apply this Rose Quartz Poly Gel to my natural nails. And I have it speeded right now, but we're gonna slow it down in just a few seconds so you can see it in real time. But she's just applying this like she would any poly gel. After she applies it, I cure it under UV light. And then she examines the nails, and if she needs to add another layer to the nails after the cure under the UV light, she will add another layer to the cure. If she sees any spots that may look weaker, uneven, she's gonna go in and even it out. For the most part, it will take 2 layers, and that's it. So you're gonna watch this from start to finish. That's what you're watching now. If you're curious to know how many layers or how many nails had 2 layers, and maybe some of them just needed only 1. I can't remember, you guys. Sorry. But every nail technician has their own way of doing it. I've had nail technicians that do it in 1, but it burns when they do it in 1. So I appreciate a nail technician that does a light layer first and cure it, and then goes in and do a heavier application or coat or layer. But every nail technician is different, and some nail technicians, it's hard to direct them. Some nail technicians think that Rose Quartz Poly Gel would be something that they can't apply. It's like this big stigma when it comes to introducing new nail products. So I am actually looking for a great nail technician that wants to be sponsored, that I can send out some products and they can give it a try. So make sure you are DMing me or emailing me if you are interested to have this to use, to sample, and to provide for your clients, giving your clientele a healing way to use nails, manicures, full sets, etc. I do appreciate you guys for following And I appreciate everything, just the support. I appreciate it all. So now once it cures completely, the nails will be the same color. You can see kind of the new poly gel is clear. And then I noticed with the semi-precious stone poly gel and even the acrylic, the next day you can have, it has like way more clarity. You can see it differently. It's like a more of a brighter, I guess, color the next day. And just look at that rose quartz nail. Isn't that amazing? All right, you guys, it was my pleasure rocking out with you. Make sure you're liking the video and also drop in the comment section what stone I should use next. I need ideas like stones. I'm making new press-on sets. I'm making a lot of new press-on sets on my website. You will find them there, or you can check me out on Instagram at enails123 and my Etsy shop. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I'll be back with another tutorial. Bye.